Hey, how are you guys? I'm just doing a little video on my 1997 GMC K3500, the 6.5 Turbo Diesel. It's a pretty good truck, single wheel. It's got an MNB or an MNNB or something like that exhaust system. It's got dual exhaust. One on that side. Same thing over here. It's got 350,000 miles on the body. The door's a little dented. 180,000 on the motor and 70,000 on the tranny. It's not too bad for what it is. A lot of people give it shit for being a 6.5 and oh, this is good at Cummins, Well, fucking Cummins is expensive, alright? Pick this truck up for $3 grand. It's got an S&B exhaust. It's got a wastegate, manual wastegate. So the little vacuum pump down there is not hooked up to anything. I gotta do a removal of that and just get a 93 belt, so I could because it clicks and it sounds like I have an exhaust leak, but I don't. So yeah, it's a pretty good truck for what it is. I don't know how to do it. I kind of want to do like an exhaust shot here, but I don't think I really can. Let's see here. Bear with me. Alright. That's all I'm doing on the exhaust. I don't want to beat up my truck too much. Close this guy. Well, that's her. Thanks for watching.